Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna review these Casio G-Shock watches. On the left one is GL-220 and the right one is GL-221. This model released in 2004 and they share the same engine or modules which is 2836. These watches come with the tough solar technology, making them able to run by the solar energy. Basically there is a solar panel built into the face of the watch, so we don't need to change the battery because the watch can get the energy by converting light to the electricity. These watches is like many typical G-Shock watches which offer you the stopwatch function, countdown timer and alarm. But there are two particular features beside the basic function of Casio watches. The first one is the moon phase and the second one is time graph. As you can see on the bottom left of the screen, you can see the moon phase and the time graph. So the moon age and the time graph are dependent on the location that you set to the watch. Basically, you have to set the longitude of the city that you are living and the time zone. To see the moon age, you have to press the mode button here. So this screen will show you the moon age. Right now, the moon age is 0. So that means the new moon. So this number will correspond with the graphic here, showing the new moon. And in this mode, you can switch the screen between the moon and the time graph. To change to the time information, you have to press the adjust button or the top left button. So this is the time level at 6 a.m. on this date. So the level of the time you can see on the graphic. So the time level is declining at 6 a.m. You can change the time here by pressing the bottom right is forward and the top right is reverse. So when they press forward, it means they increase the time. So this will be 7 o'clock, 8 and 9, 10. So at 10 a.m. the time level is lowest. The highest time will be around at 4 p.m. or 16 o'clock. So on this screen, you can predict the time level on this date. And if you want to know the moon age, you can press the top left button to switch back to the moon screen here. And on this display, you can get the moon age data for other days. For example, if I press the forward button here, so this will be 29th of April, the moon age will be 1. Keep pressing. The moon graphic on the bottom left is changed to the waxing period. So if you keep pressing, when the moon age is about 14 or 15, so this indicates the full moon, alright? And if you keep pressing, the moon will be waning. So you can see a small strip on the right of the moon. So this indicates the waning period. So if you keep pressing the forward button to the moon age of about 28 or 29, so this will become to the end of the moon period. So if you press forward again, so this will be the next moon period, and this is the new moon again. So basically the next new moon will be on 28th of May. Since this would come with 5 buttons, so basically you have a dedicated button for lighting up the screen. So the 2 buttons on the right side is for forward and reverse. So if you pass the day that you want to know the moon age, you can press reverse button or top right, so you can reverse to the date that you want to know the moon age. And the moon data here will be correspond with the time level as well. So basically, if this screen you select the date of 23rd of May, switch to the time level. So this time level is for 23rd of May as well. That means you can know the moon age and the time level of any particular day that you set on the watch. And these are 2 key features of this watch that I like. Press the mode button again, this will move to the countdown timer. Next will be alarm, and this one is stopwatch. And the next one is the dual time. Since this watch doesn't have the world time, you can set another time zone in this mode. And the time showing on the top part of the screen is the home time, and the last number here is the dual time. You can change the dual time with a step of 30 minutes forward or reverse. For example, this dual time is 2 hours ahead the home time, right? So if you want to set it to 1.5 hours ahead of the home time, I have to press reverse here. So this will subtract the minute by 30 minutes. So the step size of the changing is 30 minutes. Or if you press forward, so this will be add another 30 minutes to the dual time. So you can use this mode to set another time zone. Press the mode button. This will bring back you to the home time screen. In addition to the features of this watch, the size of this watch is much smaller than the DW6900, but it comes with the top solar technology and the ability to show the moon age and time graph. So that's why I prefer to have this watch instead of the DW6900. Since this is a solar watch, you don't need to change the battery every 2 years or 5 years or 10 years. As long as you use the watch and export it to the sunlight, the battery will keep charging to the watch. As you can see here, the battery level, low, medium, high. So this one is at a high level. So you don't need to worry about the battery changing. And that's pretty much about the Casio G-Shock GL-220 and GL-221, which use the same modules, and they are the solar watches. So thank you very much and see you next time.